Black jack shit. Smells like money. So welcome back to another video, guys. So today, well, I'm not dressed up. I'm just here to pick up or drop off the keys for this particular property that we recently acquired. So this was built in 1910. It's a very old building, and there's so much stuff to see inside. So I wouldn't be inside the house too long, but I'll show you what the house looks like inside. But anyway, we're gonna tear it down, build a brand new home here. So there's so much mysteries to uncover, but let's go inside now. And by the way, gotta put my masks on because a lot of bad things happen in this house. Let's see. You go always say Bismillah, right? Let's go inside. Hello. So this house has been overlived, meaning whoever was living here, they've lived here for hundreds of years actually, and it was all original owners. You can see the family photo there. Can you turn the camera around, show them the family photo? Most of the people that you see on the photos already died. I think one of those brothers live in the neighborhood, but they were saying that anything and everything that they start buying since 1910, everything is inside this house. Right? Whether it be trays, whether it be photos, whether it be I don't know. There's so much stuff inside, so much dust, and a person was living inside this house just the way it is, and he was sitting in one of those couches there, and there was a TV there, and someone found him literally dead on the couch, watching the TV, and the TV was still running. That's quick going to be mold, or even, I don't know, like Canada's free of snakes, but you never know, right? And the person who we were dealing with did want us not to go to the basement. It does have a basement, right? Oh my god, there's so much stuff. But here's the thing, man, like, you know, the husband and wife, you know, when you get married, you have a ring and all that. So there's a lot of stuff that you can that needs to be cleaned up. These utensils, man, like, it seems like they had food and they forgot to clean it. There's a pizza, there's all kind of salt, nice, steakhouse bar, condiments, parsley, you know, pretty good stuff. But yeah, this is the house. How do I go to the basement? Oh my god, I don't want to go to the basement. There's no way you can go to the basement, actually. There's just so much stuff. Show them around. That's a pantry. It's a pantry. Oh, you got the flashlight going on. That's good. Quickly show them the pantry. I've been warned not to open the fridge, but it's left open anyway. Cool. So this is the stove. Everything is literally original, you guys. Original. Oh my god. Oh, but this smells like money. You know, like a lot of these real estate investors, they tell you, like, if it's like this, you smell money, right? So this is where the opportunity lies, but this particular property's land value, as I was saying. But if we go through everything, I mean, look at this. Does it say any year on? 1965. Holy shit. 1965. This must be the mom or someone who was living here anyway.
Oh, yeah.
You got candies. Oh, you got Lindt chocolate. That's new. That is really new. But anyway, look at that. That probably will fetch you something. A little mousse on it, right? What do you think of this value in it? Look at up here. Okay, it seems like this guy, is that a pilot? No. Looks like he's been eating too much good food, that's for sure. I'm not sure if that's the guy that was found dead in this couch here, but yeah, so much stuff has been cleared out. There were more stuff in here. I think you know, the owners came in, they did end up taking some stuff away. Family medicine guide, drugs. Basically, this is a treasure hunt, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks upstairs. Now let's go. For some reason, man, I'm not a guy that you can scare me easily, but someone's up there. I'm coming up. There's so many jackets. These are the stuff that we can go for Salvation Army, right? Leather jackets and shit. Okay, let's go. Pardon my French. Hello. Okay, nice stairs. The one good thing is the house is built solid. The floors are not squeaking or anything like that. There's so much clothing up here. There's 3 bedrooms, and people used to live in this bed. I don't want to go in and try to find a body in there, but anyway. There's just so much stuff. Look, I just want to find a gold, diamond, something, platinum. You know, make extra dollars on it. There's nice jeans up here. You want some jeans, buddy? Got good jeans. You got a walk-in closet. Right around the corner. There's a little deck out here. But it's a nice house. Really nice house. Strong bones, you know? Very strong bones. Let's look at the washroom. So, wow. The tub. How do you take shower in this? It's still wet and moisty, just like someone took a bath yesterday. There's all kinds of soaps. Drano, Aveeno. I'm just reading up brands, but I'm trying to see if there's any treasure beneath it. Check out the toilet. Wow. Check it out. Black shit, you guys. Black shit. Black jack shit. Keep going in. Now show them. Zoom in. Zoom in. There we go. Smells like money. That's for today's vlog, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, but we will show you some drone shots of this house that we're gonna take it down. We already applied for permits, and the house is gonna look like this. I'm gonna put it on the screen anyway. But this is the kind of house that we work on. Let's see. What do we have here? Something. God, give me some gold and diamond. Is this even legal? Can we go through stuff of dead people? Or, let's see. Gotta come back. So much clothing. I don't know why they would keep everything stuffed here. But anyway. Oh, look at this. Who's this guy? Michael Jackson? Ex-banker tries to cure millennium angst. I don't know how to even say it. But this is from, which year is it? It's still 1998. It's not bad. It's not that old. It's brand new, but fresh carpet. So much clothing. So if you guys are looking for more clothing, I mean, so much stuff in here. Come in, get it. You know, happy to help with you guys if you're struggling with anything.